ninjas. All of us are stuck in the PC headquarters right now, and we're trying to get out.
Yeah, get back to work.
Jeez Louise.
No Brent.
No one saw me. That was so close. Chad, Daniel, and Regina are over there.
Finish in an hour and a half.
I need to put on stealth mode right now and sneak my way out of this cubicle. I gotta help Chad, Regina, and Daniel get out of here. Please give this video a big thumbs up right now and give me good luck. Oh my gosh, he's standing right there.
Where's Via? Oh, don't look. Oh gosh, got there. He's coming.
Oh, spy ninjas. No one will suspect me here. So I can guide Chad, Daniel, and Regina through.
We can't get past this wall.
I'm so nervous.
No, V's gone. Wait, she's calling me. V,
Chad!
I can hear you.
They can't see me, but I can see everything. Follow my instructions, and I'll get us all out of here.
What's all the ruckus over? Where'd you go?
He's coming towards you. Don't move.
It's not at his station.
Yeah, he must be taking a break outside or something.
There's no breaks. Get back to work. I'll deal with this one.
Chad, on my command, cross the path and hide behind the wall in front of you.
She wants me to go first. Okay.
Go, Chad, go. Go, Chad, go.
Go, Chad, go. Go, Chad, go.
Go! Once his back is turned, get past him and hide in the cubicle next to me. He's gonna see you. You've gotta move to the other side. He's not looking. Turn left and go all the way to the wall.
Nice
You
job.
made it!
Good job.
Stay quiet. I'll help Regina and Daniel.
Okay, Chad made it.
Regina.
It's your turn, Regina.
I'll guide you.
V wants you to go next.
It's so dusty in here.
It is dusty, but you can do this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, V, we're sending Regina.
He's too close. You gotta wait and stay hidden where you are.
He's right there. Get back. Ouch! Jeez.
Daniel, stop making loud noises.
Did you hear that?
I think I heard you.
What was that?
Keep working. I'll look into it.
No, we gotta check that out now. Come on, 313.
Oh gosh. Oh no.
What the heck was that?
Hide. They're gonna see you.
You work. Check on.
Okay, he's gone. Go back.
Should I do my famous Reggie roll?
There's a lot of hackers. Hold it, guys. Hold it.
Yes.
Hey, we gotta see what's over here.
Oh, shoot.
I think it what came from this room over
Okay,
here.
hide. They're coming your way. Hide. Okay, now go.
Go, Regina, go.
Maybe it was over here. No. Keep looking.
Regina, hold it.
Oh my gosh.
Swear I heard a noise over here.
I don't see anything over here.
Hold it together, Regina.
Now go, Regina, go.
Perfect. It's my turn. I gotta find the right time to
Nothing
go.
over there. Nothing. Anything over here?
Go, Daniel, go. Keep going.
Yes. You got it, Dad.
I did it. Let's go.
Spy ninjas! Did you really think you could escape? Don't you remember that Project Zorgo's always watching? You guys are doomed to be here for a very, very long time. Let's get out of here.
Whoa.
They're scared. The stairs. I recognize this place. This must be the way out.
Nice.
Oh! Come on, boys. Oh, gosh.
Oh, jeez.
Do you think these spy ninjas can just mosey on out of here at your leisure?
Yeah, that's right. You think you can just leave the Dexter behind, huh?
Hey, he went to the prom with us, right?
Yeah, who's at the prom?
That's right. It's the Dexter.
Oh, that's just yuck.
Ugh. The sign's right there. Let's go through it now.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, I got PZ muscles here. Yes. Check this out, Daniel. Yeah.
Hey, 44! We ain't in Manhattan anymore!
Okay, Daniel, I know PZ9 Melvin is stronger than me, so I'm gonna use my dodge mode and wear him out and wait for my chance to attack.
Are you done talking? And are you ready to get beat?
Bring it!
Hey, I remember you, man. You're from the prom, the Detector. You're a jerk and your hair is stupid.
You stupid spy ninja! Don't you know when it's time to fight, you fight and not talk? Is that all you got for the Detector?
No, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Jeez.
What's this? Oh, I got an idea.
Hey, you want some of this?
What are you gonna do with that weak thing?
Say hello to my leg? Yes!
Oh, man. You beat him up with that thing? Are you pulling my leg, Daniel? Great work, everybody! Woo!
Don't let him get through that door!
That door, that must be the exit! Okay, oh my gosh.
Guys, do we go up or down?
Well, we're in the sub-basement right now. We gotta go up.
Oh, you're right. Go up.
Go up. Oh my gosh, it's dark. Oh boy.
What's worth the light? It's gotta be this.
There's gotta be the light. It must be the way out. Whoa! Hey!
Just as I expected. PZ313, close and lock the door.
Oh! Hey!
Let us out!
It's locked!
There's no use, spy ninjas. You guys are locked in here. So welcome to my Project Zorgo office.
Pretty old school place here.
This was all gifted to me because I'm Project Zorgo's most elite member.
I don't know if gifted is the right word. This is like 1950s stuff.
Reel to reel records.
Project Zorgo does have some exquisite tastes. Would you like me to put on some royalty-free music?
We're not gonna fall for your tricks anymore, Melvin. Let us out of here.
No chance.
Try the door again.
Oh,
Can you get through there?
No.
Oh, Melvin!
Melvin!
Where'd he go?
He's over here.
We can play baseball.
No, no.
No, Melvin. Just
on.
snap out of it and come back home with us.
Yeah, why don't you take me back to the safe house?
Oh.
I didn't mean it like that.
I don't know if we can trust this guy to bring him back to the safe house. What should we do?
We gotta find out if he really did lose his memory or if he's just joking.
Yeah, is the real Melvin still in there? I hope so.
Gosh, I hope so too, because he's kind of evil.
How are we gonna figure this out?
Are you done talking about me? I'm right here.
Shh. I got an idea of what we should do. We should get
I got an idea. What? Why don't you just tell me where the safe house is?
You know where the safe house is, Melvin?
Yeah, it's where you guys stay. Project Zorgo will be so happy to know its location.
Wait, does he seriously not remember where he lives?
Is he telling the truth or lying?
Daniel, you just said something really smart.
What'd I say?
You said truth or lie?
Give him a lie detector test.
Oh, good idea.
Strip.
What? No, no, Regina.
Now's not the time, girl.
Oh my
He has
goodness.
his lie detector shirt on.
Hey,
Oh my
jeez.
gosh, jeez.
What the heck?
Regina, wow.
Stop it, guys. What's happening?
I don't know what's happening.
She's right. I will disrobe and hook Melvin up. Lie detector test.
Daniel! Whoa.
What is this?
Why is it so long? What happened?
This is not your lie detector shirt.
It grew in the wash.
What?
You know how things grow in the wash? Just forget it,
Your lie
guys.
detector shirt used to be too tight.
Maybe I grabbed the wrong one. Who cares? PZ9, you are hooked up. It's time to find out the truth.
Should I show you which fingers are hooked up?
Oh. Hey. We're gonna find out if you really are.
Don't touch me!
Okay.
You lunatic!
Who are you calling lunatic?
Just don't touch me!
Sorry. Oh,
Hey. Okay, calm down. You need to stay completely still in order for the readings to be correct.
Quit touching me!
We gotta see if this is working, so I'm gonna ask you a baseline question, okay?
What is your name?
I am PZ9, the best fighter!
You gotta keep your hands still, right here.
Well, you know I gotta do that when I say my name.
Is this thing working? Yes, it's true. All right. now that everything's in order.
It's always true.
Anybody got some juicy questions for this lunatic?
Yes. How do we get out of here?
You don't. Not without my permission! So, just tell me where the safe house is, and I'll let you guys go. How about that? That's easy enough.
Hey, put that back on!
Okay, but don't touch me!
Well, how am I even supposed to read this? Is it true or false?
Does it even work with the right shirt, Daniel?
Of course it does. This is the right shirt. What are you guys talking about?
That one time you wore that pink shirt, and I don't know. It didn't really work.
B, I need complete silence.
Daniel, you smell like dust and antiques!
He's telling the truth.
You do smell like dust and antiques? He's telling the truth about that?
No, that wasn't the question, Chad. You big goon. He's not gonna let us out. Somebody ask a different question, like about PZ9 himself.
Are you faking the whole thing? Is the real PZ9 Melvin still in here?
Don't touch me! How many times do I have to repeat myself? Don't touch me! Especially not in my office! So, as you were saying?
Are you evil?
Yes, I sure am. You don't need a lie detector to see that I'm full evil!
Yes, we do. Okay.
Check it out, Danny boy.
It says... He's telling the truth! He really is evil, he's not faking it!
Wait, so Melvin's no longer in here?
Bless you.
Thanks.
You'll get used to all the dust.
Why is it so dusty in here?
Well, you know.
You know why I sneezed? I'm allergic to evil brothers.
So Project Zorgo really did erase your memory?
Seems like it.
Oh no!
Project Zorgo only wants what's best for their members. Look at my office!
It's pretty old and dusty. Ew.
Just like you and V.
Hey, we're youthful and hip and muscular.
See this contour?
Wow, look at that. Woo!
You're touching me. Oh!
Should touch you with a fist.
Just be thankful I'm giving you the time to talk with me in my office.
Next question. The safe house location. You don't know where it is?
I don't know where the safe house is. He's gotta be lying about that.
This is an important one, Daniel.
Excuse me. It's true! It's true!
Wait, he does not know where the safe house is?
Yeah, he doesn't know where the safe house is.
How's that possible? He really did get his memory erased then.
Melvin, you used to want to be a spy ninja really bad. Do you still want to be a spy ninja?
I thought you asked if I wanted to be a spy ninja.
No.
Yes.
No. Become a spy ninja.
Don't touch me. And no, I don't.
What? Hold on. I think the lie police are calling. Yeah, he's lying, isn't he? Daniel, he's lying, right? It smells like he's lying. You smell it?
No,
it's all that dust.
Don't breathe that in.
Yeah, you smell like you lick dust.
Only when it's necessary for a mission.
Yes, Chad, you tell him.
Yeah.
Says he's telling the truth. What happened, Melvin? You wanted to become a spy ninja so bad.
No, I don't.
You were like, please, please.
Becoming a Project Zorgo member is way cooler. Obviously, I have my own office.
You won't stop going on about your office. Not even cool.
All right, I give up. I give up on a friend.
Is it because you had to share a bedroom with Regina? Is that why you left?
With her?
I'm your sister.
Maybe you need a lie detector test.
Why would I need one?
Because I don't look that stupid.
Hey, I don't look stupid.
You don't talk to our friends like that.
Thanks, Chad.
Well, they're not my friends, so be it. I hate this.
Hey, easy on the lie detector test. Hey, break it. He's gone for good.
I got a question. What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is being annoyed by some stink flies like you guys. Get out of my face! Get out of my face! My face! Get out of it!
He says he's lying. That's not his biggest fear.
No, you got a fear much bigger than that.
Tell us the truth, Melvin.
Lie, that's a lie.
You smell like you bathe with rotten banana peels.
Stop.
Hey, he has to go in the garbage sometimes for his missions.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that your biggest fear is peeing your pants, Melvin.
Yeah.
Tinkle, tinkle, boy. Yeah.
No! No, it's not!
Okay, what's it say, Daniel?
He's lying.
So it is your biggest fear.
It is your biggest fear.
No! How could this be?
So even having your memory erased doesn't change that.
Hey, we're not done yet here.
Hey, Melvin, stop.
Stop, we got some more questions.
Question. What is your biggest goal or desire?
My biggest goal is to bring clout to Project Zorgo. Subscribe to Project Zorgo. Attention all Project Zorgo members. Unsubscribe from the Spy Ninjas and join the...
If you're not already a Spy Ninja, you take your phone right now, you turn it upright like this. Underneath this video is a subscribe link. If it's red, make it turn gray, because V will never get passed by Project Zorgo in subscriber count.
That's right. Or PZ9 here.
Only if you guys subscribe.
Let's see how much
Ew.
Melvin actually
Touching me.
Jeez, Melvin. Let's see.
PZ9.
Shut up. Let's see how much.
On with the question.
Let's see how much PZ9 actually remembers about the old Melvin. PZ9, do you own a black truck?
No.
Oh.
I drive a Honda Fit. He's got to be joking.
Yeah.
He
where's
loves that truck. There's no way he would ever forget about that truck.
He's obsessed with it. Well, I'm obsessed with the gas mileage on Honda Fits.
It's true.
What?
Wow. Project Zorgo really did erase his memory then. He loved that truck. We need to get out of here. We need to regroup.
Yeah.
This is hopeless. He doesn't remember anything. We need to figure out an alternative plan.
This is hopeless too. Well, if y'all aren't gonna tell me where the safe house location is, then you're free to leave.
What are you doing?
Okay, let's get out of here.
I have 4 guests exiting.
It's unlocked.
Oh, okay.
Please prepare the preparations for them.
Okay, bye, Melvin.
Let's go.
It's so dark in here.
What is this place?
Where are we?
The floor's shaking.